There is no better way to celebrate International Women's Day with pasta mimosa. And of course, using seasonal vegetables, this time peas. So I made the fillings, as you have seen, with just peas, onions, and carrots. And then I, of course, made this sfoglia. I roll it like following the Bologna method and then fold it over so I could just get the right air out before adding the stumps. These stumps are called bottoni, but these types of pasta is called Anolini. And it resembles, when you look at it, a little sunflowers or just a little sun, which all together can form the mimosa pasta. And this is so beautiful. This is what I fell in love yesterday when I made it, and I hope you can enjoy it too. You just need to boil the water and then create a sort of soupy pasta, and voila.